customer mentioned he went through a flooded area. The car just won't start. I have like 70% this is a flood related issue, so I don't think we can battery jump this. How was it?
At this
Yeah,
point,
then I'll go
it
there.
was a total downer. I wonder what's wrong. It made me think if I missed something.
Alright guys, good morning. It's rainy today. Looks like we have a low depression, or probably it's going to be a typhoon, and just happened to have a call for rescue. It's not any vehicle stuck recovery type of rescue. Nobody got stuck, but someone got stranded because the car won't start. It's a Mitsubishi Mirage, or the car has a strong crank, so it must not be a battery. So this could be a problem because we only do battery or tire change, tire fix, roadside assistance. So aside from that, if your car won't start, then we have to tow it, and luckily our towing is right on standby just in case there's gotta be towing needed. The customer mentioned that he went through a flooded area. I have like 70% this is a flood related issue, so I don't think we can battery jump this, but hopefully it's just a battery, so we can just rescue the customer and the customer can go home, because it's rainy right now and so much traffic, so it's very stressful. But yeah, hopefully it's just a battery. If not, we might have to call our towing. So yeah, see you guys later.
At this point, customer already confirmed that the battery is the problem because the lights were blinking and it's not cranking anymore. So basically the battery is dead. Got my tester and checked the battery, and it's indeed dead. My tester was also blinking, so therefore we have confirmed that this car really needs a jump.
So yeah, this is the car. Atlas Overland Recovery. Oh, Facebook o kuan? Facebook o YouTube. Unsa ka laom, nakabantay mo? Laom kay na leoy? Kay basig ma-charge na to, pero di gyapon wonder ba? Eh, nalumot. Dakman mo na. Okay.
After charging the battery, I have to make sure that that the car didn't have any water damage from the flood by checking the air
Yeah,
filter.
so we're just going to check if it's wet here. Instead, the submersion. Eleven. 11. Pero man, wala na kasunod. Oh.
So right here, I'm just breaking the bad news to the customer that the battery is not charging and that we're just going to give it a few minutes to charge, and then we'll try to see if we can start the car later.
All right. Are you ready, Terry? I can't hear you. Just try to press harder.
I'm ready to go.
All right. Cranking it up now. Yeah. Try starting it. How was it?
Nothing.
Okay, hold on. I'll go there.
At this point, it was a total downer. I wonder what's wrong. It made me think if I missed something. But after checking everything, it's all good. We tried starting again, and finally the car starts.
Video yang tatay. Picture lang po. Lagi na lagi. All good? You be okay? Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Okay. Hello. Hey. So yeah, everything good?
As well, yep, looks all right to me.
All starting.
No problem.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Welcome. I'm glad to help you today.
Yeah.
All right. Welcome. What?
Put me on the blog. You did a good job.
All right. Thank you. Thank you. Amping mo tayo. Welcome. Okay. Alright, so that's one successful rescue. The situation is a bit difficult because we're in a very narrow road and we're blocking the other lane. It's very challenging. You can't go around easily because you might get hit by a car. When we got there, the battery is really dead, like it's just blinking everything. But which is good because we confirmed it's a battery, and when I tried to test the battery, it's not reading anything. Even my tester is blinking. So yeah, it's battery's really dead. And when we tried to charge it, after giving a few minutes of charge, when I tested the battery, there's no still reading. So I'm really doubting that we can start the car. And the second attempt is I don't have any assistant with me right now, so filming and doing work at the same time, and it's also raining, it's a bit challenging and difficult. But yeah, it was good. No issues at all, and we're able to successfully rescue the customer, start the car, and customers were able to going to the shop, which was my friend Alvin from Bully Concept. Shout out to you, bro, for referring me, and I'm happy to help. Another successful recovery, customer happy, satisfied, and yeah, glad we're able to fix it. We don't have to call our backup for towing, because that will be a really long day. So yeah, see you again for the next recovery.